Hi, I'm here with Eli, and Eli is going to help show how we're doing rocket math with a partner. So, first we have an answer key, and we have the sheets that Eli is going to solve. But before we do our 1 minute time test, we're going to go ahead and practice. So, Eli, I think, would you like to be the checker?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll make Eli's the checker. He's got the answer key here. And I'm going to be the reader kid, well, the reader teacher in this case. And what I'm going to do for about 2 minutes or so, we can set a timer. I'm going to go ahead and read the facts. And hopefully I get them right. But if I don't, Eli, you're going to correct me, right? Okay. So what did we say it's okay to do? Interrupt. Is it always okay to interrupt, Eli?
No.
No, just when? Okay, so when I make a mistake, Eli's going to interrupt me. And after I make the mistake, then what are you going to do?
Make you repeat it and go back a couple.
Okay, so you're going to make me repeat it, and then you're going to tell me to go back a couple. Okay, so all right, let's go ahead and get started. If we had a timer, we do that. So I'm going to go ahead, and Eli's, we want to make sure, good. Eli's awesome. He's on B. He's all over it, so we want to make sure that it matches up to B and B because these go to A to Z. And hopefully if I will practice, then if I pass, then I can go to C. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. 9 times 1 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. 8 times 1 is 9.
Wrong.
2 times...
You made a mistake.
Oh no.
It's 1 times 8 is 8.
Oh, okay.
So repeat it.
Oh, okay. 1 times 8 is 8.
And go back.
1 times 8 is 8. Where should I go back?
So 1 times 2.
Oh, okay. So go back. You want me to go back 3. Okay. So 1 times 2 is 2. 9 times 1 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. 8 times 1 is 8. Did I get it?
Yes.
Oh, good. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Great job, Eli. Thank you. This will be helpful to our parents at home. Thanks for helping out. So then what we would do is we would switch, and then I would be the checker, and Eli would do the practice, okay? And then they're going to go ahead, and all the kids are going to take the 1 minute time test, which we'll go ahead and show you in the previously recorded video. Okay, great. Thanks, Eli. And here are our friends that did such a great job of following along. Thank you, everyone.
Seven times 1 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 6 is 6. And 5 times 1 is 5.
Follow along right here.
2 is 2. 9 times 1 is 9. 1 times
Right
1
here.
is 1. 3 times
6 times 1 is 6. 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 7.
So once the student has finished the 1 minute rocket math time test, if they're on letter A and they've met their goal or exceeded their goal, you're going to go ahead and highlight. If they're on letter A, just highlight or color in, whatever you want to do, highlight A. But if they're on letter A and they did not meet their goal, what you would do is you would just highlight in or color in one box, and it shows up here that that's the first try. So then the next day, you'd go ahead, if they don't pass, just highlight or color in the second try. Now, again, you want to look at their goal, and if their goal is, let's say, 45, and they're only getting 15, then you probably want to adjust the goal to something a little bit more realistic, so that way the child doesn't get frustrated. If you have any questions with any of this, please feel free to send me an email. Thanks.